Hi babes, welcome. So this I saw this picture, right, and it inspired me to make like a heart inside a heart. I had previously made this tutorial. I have this tutorial on my channel right now. I'll link it at the end of this one if you're interested. But the lesser the simpler one I made is this one. So in this tutorial you're going to watch me make the last one, which is like a heart and then half of a heart. It's really cute and it's not too much. So this tutorial is just going to be me making that. Basically, I didn't use the method I used in making the heart in the previous tutorial. This one we are using the number 3 shape, which is where you stand behind the head and make a number 3, and then you come to the side and shaping the heart to be perfect. It is easier, not easier, it is more advanced than the other technique I showed, where you use like a letter T to braid your heart. This one is a little bit more advanced, but it is faster. So if you're used to that one and you're so over it, you can try this one. It is way faster. So I'm just going to let you watch. I'll braid the first heart and then make the outer one. If you want to keep going, you have to have that in mind before starting the tutorial, before starting the hairstyle, right? And then you have to move your first heart to be a little bit inside. Or if you're starting with this outer one, then this is going to be your biggest heart. So you just part a smaller heart inside and a smaller heart inside, just like that. Just have the end result in mind when you're starting, so you know if to shift your heart further away from the edges or have the very first one touching the edges. And well, if you have any question, you can just ask me in the comment section, and I promise you I always respond to questions, especially questions. Even though I appreciate every comment, I always respond to questions. And if you do not skip the ads, that's a way of supporting the channel because it helps us to make money from our efforts, and I really thank you for that. I'm just going to let you watch. If you want to watch where you have to braid several hearts, I have a version of where I made it for a little girl. Like, her hair was like 2 step, the whole of the back part was a hard braid, like a big ass, plenty big ass hard braid. And then I have the other tutorial where I tried on my sister. I only showed how to braid a heart inside the heart inside the heart. So if you're interested in any of that, I have them linked at the end of this video. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I hope you have an amazing day or amazing night wherever you are. If you want like the step-by-step explanation of this particular variation of hearts, this is not the regular shape of heart we used to make. The one we have always made has like a line running in the middle, and then on the doll's house on Instagram, I saw a heart braid where she had no line in the middle. It just looks as if you picked a heart and pasted it on the hair. Like, it looks more realistic because you can't tell where it started and where it ended. Like, there is no line in the middle. It is not so obvious. For someone who has never seen a hard braid, this one is going to stop you in your tracks than that other one. It's easier to figure out how the heart that has a line in the middle was made than this one, because like this looks more realistic, guys. This looks a little bit more advanced, a little, definitely less used. Not so much. Her channel, not her Instagram page, her page is the very first place I have ever seen this variation, and I decided to try it and I like it. And from now on, this is the heart I'll be making. I'm not making half and half heart joined together. I can make a complete heart at once. Level don't change. Oh, you get what I mean? So guys, don't mind me. I'm going to let you watch, but that's the whole point. If you want like just a faster version of the heart in heart in heart, I attach it to the end of this clip, at the end of the video, not another video. Inside this video, I attach it there. So please don't skip the ads. Leave a thumbs up if you like anything at all, and thank you. Enjoy.